open ourselves unto you, Lord, just as you are to worship.
The thoughts towards you, the Lord says in Psalm 139, are more than the grain of sand on the seashore. Every time you have a godly thought, it's originating from the Spirit of God. You hated fear of God, you hated my word, and then when you're sinking, you call me. How many messages do you want before you dedicate yourself to God? How many more sermons God has to give you? How many more prophecies you want? Is that not enough what you have? Throw yourself to God. Put yourself on the altar. Only the sacrifice catches fire. If anything in you is still alive, no fire does not come. Brokenness. Lord, I come to the place of nothingness. All I have is you. I'm willing to let go.